Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the PowerStop Z23 rotors and brake pad kit. It's time to replace the rotors and brake pads on my Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I looked at the OEM Mopar, and just for the rotors it was almost over $400 just for the rotors, not including the brake pads. I got this whole kit for about $350. What you get comes in a big brown box, and inside that brown box is 2 retail boxes as well as 3 other brown boxes. That big brown box was completely falling apart, so kudos to that Amazon delivery driver for even getting it up on my porch, but I couldn't use it to bring it into my house, so I just pulled all the individual boxes out and tossed that out. So I'm going to show you what you actually get inside of that kit. So it comes with a nice PowerStop sticker, which maybe I'll stick on my tool chest, maybe not. It's also got the 15-step instructions. These are really nice printed out. As you can see, nice glossy instructions on the back. It's got the break-in instructions for what the break-in procedure is for your brake pads. And it also comes with some marketing material in case you're interested in what else PowerStop's got to offer. They send that over to you as well. And then again, these retail boxes, really nice imagery, really well done. Definitely spent some money on the packaging. And then if you look here, it tells you exactly what makes their brake pads special. These are ceramic fiber brake pads. And then if I look inside here, if I go ahead and open one of these up, what do you get inside? Again, the break-in procedure for how to break in your brake pads. I definitely will be following this because they put it in here like 4 times, so it must be super important. And then you got your rubber boots here that go on your brake calipers. You got the shims that, again, you'll use on your brake calipers, and the actual brake pads themselves. And it's nice that they actually include the lubrication that you're going to use when you install these. So over here in the brown boxes, these are the actual rotors themselves. You know, and if I'm going to be honest, why did I go with the PowerStop brake pads and rotors? I actually, it was for the looks of them. You know, I think that this looks pretty slick. I know that these drilled holes are supposed to help keep the temperature down, and that's why they have these drilled rotors. And these slots are supposed to keep the debris out. Again, all of that is supposed to help make these high-performance rotors that work well with the matched up brake pads. But I'm sorry, I'm just a daily driver. I take it out off-road every once in a while. I mean, brakes are definitely important, but for me, I like the looks of them and the price. You know, they're cheaper than the OEMs. They look better than the OEMs, and they're supposed to perform better. So definitely, this is why I went with them. If you're interested, I'm going to do another video up here where I'm actually going to install these on my 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and that's what you get with the PowerStop Z23 rotors and brake kit.